Welcome to this session in Power BI. In this module, I want to show you how you can publish your site and then share it with colleagues and also embed it in a PowerPoint presentation. So once you've got your report complete or looking how you want it, you click on Publish. Now for you to do this, you might have to pay for a service. I've got my workspace, I've got a site there. Selecting that site, it will upload this to that site, and then I will be able to see the visualization and interact with it. So got it. So if I now go onto the internet and see if I can see that basic dashboard is just popped up there. There it is. So I'm not in a stage where I can edit this, but I can interact with it by clicking on elements to filter like so. Filter, and then these things are reacting. So that works fine. This is what you would share with colleagues, or colleagues that are in your workspace would be able to activate. Now if I copy that URL, I can actually embed this into a PowerPoint. If I go into PowerPoint, here is a blank slide in PowerPoint. I've got the Power BI app there. I'll click on that. It will ask me for the report that I want. I'm just going to paste it in there. It's coming up with these previous ones, so I'll insert that one. And then this will allow me to interact with this in PowerPoint. Like so. So same thing will apply. I can filter it, I can interact with it. If I put it into full screen, even in full screen, I can interact. This is an interactive Power BI slide. Just press escape to come out of PowerPoint. And again, I'm back to the slide. If I go back into Power BI, that is the whole process from start to finish. You create your visualization using these visuals or whatever visuals you want, and then you publish it, and then you can embed it in PowerPoint, or you can share it online with colleagues, whoever you've got in your group. Now you can also send data back into Excel from Power BI if you so wish. If I want to send this little table into Excel, this is what I need to do. On these ellipses, I need to click on that and export data. And then it will give me options where I want to put this. I've already done it on to the desktop, so I'll just put this as data 1. It comes in as a CSV file. You may have options in there as well, but I'm saving that. So that data is now in Excel, and it's data 1. And then that will open up that file in Excel, and I'll just go finish. So it'll drop it in like so. Now that has come in as a single cell file, so this is where you would have to use the data tools feature in Excel. So if I go to text to columns, so these are delimited by a comma, so it's a delimited list. If I go next and then select a comma, it should split that off into separate columns, and then I just need to go finish on there, I think. And then that gives me that information like so. And then you can do whatever you want in Excel, like format that as a table. Just pick one. Yep. And then it's back in Excel, ready to rock and roll. Don't have to do that, but if you got your data from a non-Excel source, you can now bring it back into Excel if you so wish. And then you can create a little chart on it like that if you so wish in Excel. but that's slightly counterproductive if you're doing charts and things like that in Excel, because you've got all those features in Power BI. Come back into Power BI. Another thing you've got, if you want, you can click on the ellipses again and click on Spotlight, and basically that just spotlights that visual. All the rest are there, but it's sort of faded out or transparent. And then you go to the ellipses and take that off, and maybe click on that one, go to the ellipses and click on Spotlight that one. All the rest disappear or fade out, and then you can remove it afterwards. So that's all I want to talk about in this little video, how you can publish a report and embed it into PowerPoint. So hopefully that little video was of use. Thank you for your time, and I'll catch you on the next one.